How is everybody doing today? I am heading to get my supper. Got a nice little old place down the road. Magic Grill. That's where we're gonna go eat. Well, I'm gonna go pick it up and bring it home and eat it. They got po' boys there, hamburgers. They got red beans and rice, fish. And that's what I got. I got the 4-piece fish dinner. And it comes, you can get fries. I got fries and coleslaw. And it comes with a salad. And it comes with some bread. And it's pretty good. It's not bad. Their po' boys aren't too bad. I like their shrimp po' boy. They, you know, I hate to say this about them. People up there are really nice, but their roast beef po' boys just aren't what they used to be. We got there's a place that does po' boys in Monroe. That's across the river. That's where I grew up. I grew up in Monroe. I moved to West Monroe when I got married. But they have a place over there called Ray's PG. Oh, those are the best po' boys. I hadn't been over there in a while. The guy that originally owned it, he passed away. I don't remember when, but I think he passed away several years ago. But I tell you what, when you went up there, he was right there cooking them every night, seemed like. I don't think I ever went up there and he wasn't right there cooking them. And they were good. But yeah, we're gonna go up here and get our food and eat some supper. And I got a busy week. I've got a bunch of papers I got to get graded by Friday. And one of the set of papers I got to grade, I'm giving that test Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning. I mean, I don't have to have them graded, but I try to because Friday is the last day for them to drop the class. And I like them, you know, let them take as many tests as they can before we, you know, before the drop date. So I try to do that for them. Yeah, the eating place is just right up here. It's not a very long ride. Oh, man. I just have to say that's the first time I've ever jumped on this bike. I'm surprised it didn't tear it up. I wasn't expecting that big old drop off. Ooh, that was scary. I know not to do that anymore. Look at there, I learned a lesson. Yeah, the wife, she heads out tomorrow. Her plane takes off at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's Wednesday. Oh, I didn't tell you, it's October 24th. It's a Tuesday. It is, come on, watch. It's 5:19 in the evening and it's 88 degrees and sunny. Yeah, so she flies out on the 25th to South Carolina, her and her mom. All right, so let's go up here and get our food. It's probably not ready. right, so this is the place where we're eating. Just a little old place right there. You can go in and eat, but a lot of people get it and take it home. I don't know how good you can see the menu on this thing, but that's it. There's my bike. They got some other places here. And there's a convenience store right down there at the end. Just a little shopping area, not much to it. It's just down the road from the house. I don't ever come to the vape shop or I guess that's a bar right there. I don't ever go in there either. All right, here's the food I got. Oh, it looks good, don't it? Got some fish there. There's some coleslaw up underneath there. And they give you a nice little salad. I'm gonna enjoy it. All right. So we got our food. Let's get home and eat it. Now, let's see if I'm gonna be able to get on this road. Usually are pretty busy. Well, it's not really that busy. It's just it's 5 o'clock. All that 5 o'clock traffic. Everybody's coming home from work. All right. Oh, I tell you, I can't believe I did that jumping like that. I won't do that anymore. So I'm gonna go home and eat. I gotta go to work in the morning. Probably gonna get up and go with the wife to the airport. They're taking off at 6 in the morning. I gotta work. My daughter, I know she's gonna take them, but I might ride up there in my car and watch them take off and then head on into work. Get ready to play my rounds of putt-putt tonight. So I may have to do a little bowling too, I don't know. Got to see how many days I got left to bowl my rounds in my league, in my bowling league play. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a video. I'm just about home. It was just a short ride to get my food. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out my other ones. Give me a like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I will see y'all in the next one. Later.